Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Hub Knowledge. And today in this video I am going to show you how you can install Composer in Windows operating system and connect with XAMPP server. So let's begin. Now first we will need to download composer-setup.exe file. So here is the link, is the website getcomposer.org website. You can find out the download.exe file link from this site. Also I will put this link in my description box. You can find out from there. So because I have already downloaded this setup.exe file, so I am going to skip this download process. Now just open the XAMPP server. Before install this package, we will need to configure some php.ini setting in XAMPP file. So now let's open the installed XAMPP server. So actually my shortcut button is not appearing in my menu bar, so I am going to direct C drive. There I have already downloaded the XAMPP server. So here is the XAMPP control.exe file. So just click on it, and here control panel has been opened. Now we will need to change in php.ini file. So just click on config and click on php.ini. So now here is the two extensions we will need to enable before install Composer extension. And first is php open ssl.dll file. So I copied it and search in this php.ini file. Find next. Here is the extension which has already enabled, not commented there, and another extension is php curl.dll file. DLL you can also, I'm going to search this file in this php.ini file, and here is showing button that he did not find. But before proceed, I search again from the top of this file and find the next. Actually record.curl.dll file is not showing, so let's skip this process and click on save. And now let's go to our downloads file of composer.exe, which we can find in here is the composer-setup. Let's click on this file, and now installation process will be begin. Click on yes button. Next, php.exe file. Please make sure that your path should be correct, where you have installed XAMPP and where it should be php.exe path should be here. So click on next button, and Composer is now going to install. Again it is asking for use a proxy server to connect to internet, so you will not need to add any proxy URL. Just click on the next button and then click on install. It will take some time to install this package. Okay, now let's its installation has been finished, and again it's showing next button. Click on this and click on finish button. Now your composer has been installed. Now you have, if you want to check this composer has been installed or not, just go to the search bar and type here cmd command prompt and type composer. Okay, now you can see that composer has been successfully installed. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe this YouTube channel for next upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.